Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Fiverr mobile app to PayPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Fiverr mobile app on your device. Log in to your Fiverr account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Earnings to view your available balance. On the Earnings page, you will see your current balance and withdrawal options. Tap on Withdraw to begin the process. You will be presented with several withdrawal methods. Select PayPal as your preferred withdrawal method. If you haven't linked your PayPal account yet, you will need to do so. Follow the prompts to enter your PayPal email address. Make sure to double-check the email address for accuracy. After entering your PayPal email, tap on Continue to proceed. Now, select the amount you wish to withdraw. Be aware of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits. Once you have chosen the amount, confirm your withdrawal request. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. You will also receive an email notification confirming your withdrawal. Allow some time for the funds to appear in your PayPal account. If you experience any issues, check the FAQ section in the app for assistance. You are now ready to manage your earnings on Fiverr through PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.